That bird got right in the... Just dive bombed on me. Did you see that? Yeah, I got it.
Hey everyone, Chris here, the RC Geek. We're out at the field. We're taking a look at the new UMX P-51 Voodoo. I've been on kind of a race plane kick lately, and so when I opened the box on this one, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of giggled like a schoolgirl.
Okay.
And so the model itself, it's powered by a 3S LiPo. There's a hatch here that is held down with a magnet. The 3S is in here, it's pushed all the way back, and so that feels pretty good in terms of the CG. I'm at 100% all around, and so that's feeling pretty good. They've got gyro stabilization in these, which really helps them to feel bigger when they fly. Gyros are hyperactive. I wonder what the duty cycle is. When will they fail? Come on! It's pretty breezy today, so this is going to be a pretty good test of the airplane. But otherwise, you know, it's a cool model and it flies really well. You know, the Voodoo is a pretty iconic racer. And so the paint scheme on here, it'd be like the Joker's airplane. You got purple and green.
Just get those wonderful toys.
We're gonna test it out in this wind and see how it goes. So, forgot to mention, the landing gear are removable. So if you're flying at a park, they just clip right off, which is nice. We've got this big asphalt runway. So for now, we'll stick with the gear and yeah, show you how it goes from asphalt. Fly fast, turn left.
Dude, that bird got right in the... Just dive bombed on me. Did you see that? Yeah, I got it.
Handling the wind really well. No!
Break it.
You kidding? These things are durable as all get out. I like to, you know, do a little durability testing. Like I said, I'm really impressed with how the model's handling the wind. It's really impressive.
Most impressive.
It's pretty breezy, and with the trees around, you know, you get rotors and things. I was actually playing with safe a little bit on and off on the landings and touch and goes, and so that's definitely an option, and it helps reduce your pilot workload on the landings, especially on a bumpy day like this. So I have my timer set for 5 minutes. I was well past 5 minutes on that flight. Mixed flying, full throttle, it's nice and quick. It's extremely quiet, which is totally different for UMX. You can't even hear it in the air. Yeah, super fun little airplane. I love the looks of it. I've got links down in the description to everything that I used in the model and the model itself. But otherwise, be sure to check out this next video. And until next time, I'll see you at the field.